Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to be installing Postman. Now Postman is something which is definitely required. Now what Postman does we'll be discussing in the course, and if you don't get any of Postman right now, it's not something to worry about. You can just go to Postman and it automatically detects your distro. You can just come here and download it, and after you've downloaded and installed it, it should be a pretty straightforward procedure. After you've done it, you should come here and you should be able to fire up Postman, something like after clicking on that, and Postman should open up. So if you don't understand any of these what it means, you should not be worried, because we'll be discussing all of it in the course of the video. And before I end this video, let me talk about VS Code plugins. So these are some of the plugins I've listed down in the docs. These are what I would recommend you to download in VS Code. However, if you decide not to download it for some reason, it's absolutely fine, although it is definitely recommended from my side. Again, if you're using some other text editor other than VS Code, you can ignore this part. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.